Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change username in Pinterest. So to do that, open the Pinterest application first. So once you're at the home page of Pinterest, here you need to tap on the profile icon. Tap that. On this profile page, you need to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line on the top right corner. Tap that and then tap on settings. On the setting page, you need to tap on public profile. Tap that. It will direct you to the space where you will be able to change the username for your Pinterest. Tap on the username option. Tap that. And from there you will be able to make the changes. Now you can remove this and update it with a new one. To save it, you need to tap on done on the top right. As you can see, the update process is incomplete because the username is already taken. So you will need to try a different one. Then tap on done again. Your profile has been updated, and with that the profile username has been changed. So this is how you can change username in Pinterest. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.